Hello everyone. This video is specially made for Arslan, but anyone can use it for reference, where I am going to show you how you can create a workflow in HubSpot. Uh, in this particular example, we have an email from a client where they're saying that they want to include a Facebook ad form in HubSpot, and they're saying that okay, all leads coming through this form should go to Jeddah 2 only, which is in our case Jeddah ladies branch. Okay, so I'll bring the screen for workflows. So I'm inside workflows here, and I actually created a workflow right now, and it's saved as a draft. So I'm going to delete it for now. Delete, yes, 2550768. Just for confirmation. Okay, so your workflow. Okay, I hope it's deleted. Let me refresh. Yeah, it was deleted. So I'm going to create a new workflow here, and here I am click on contact base, start from scratch. I'm going to name here Jeddah 2 ladies ad campaign. Okay, and just for the sake of identification, I'm going to add a date. Okay, later on we can have a better naming mechanism, but for now, yeah, let's go with this one. So this part is the trigger part, that when this workflow should be triggered. And since we know that we're dealing with form submissions, let's go with form submissions. And here we have all the forms. These are either created internally in HubSpot, or some of them are also coming from the Facebook and Instagram integration. So in this example that we're dealing with, the client have asked us to actually go with this form name, Jeddah Ladies K 10K copy. Okay, so let's search for 10K. Nothing. So I'll start with lead ad. Oh, sorry, we're not. I'm searching in the wrong place. Let's go for form submissions. And here, all right. So I see 10K copy. This one. So they're saying use this one. Lead form Jeddah Ladies 10K copy, and then apply filter. Okay, this is fine. And then I'll save. And their second requirement is that all leads coming from this form must go to Jeddah 2 only. So what I'm going to do is here, change if then branch, if, sorry, I'm going to just set property, set property value. Okay. And here we have branches. And here I'm going to select this one because I know it, I remember it. So of course you also know it if you're working with us. This is the branch. And then of course I have to change the theme as well, because this is just a custom value. Okay, so I have to assign the theme as well. For this I have another workflow which actually automatically assigns uh, this contact to that center based on this value. Okay, so I'm going to enroll this in another workflow and select. Okay, it's loading the workflows. Okay, yalla yalla yalla. Very, why is it so? Okay, meanwhile, let me show you the other workflow just for the sake of understanding. And I'm sure you know about it if you have been working with HubSpot in our company. So if you go to automation workflows, and here if you search for lead distribution, lead distribution. Okay, I believe mm, yeah, this is a message. They're saying to upgrade these workflows. Okay, All right, so I know this is not part of this video, but HubSpot is telling us to upgrade these workflows because somehow these workflows are using older technology. Okay, so how can we upgrade? Over the past year, we have heavily invested in our automation system to deliver highly requested new feature. On this, we will begin disabling workflows running on the old system to avoid interruptions. To work, please review and clone your affected workflow using the steps in this blog. Ah, why are you making my life more difficult? All right, so we need to, okay, this is also a learning stage for you. So we are going to clone this workflow and just name it new system, new HubSpot system, lead distribution. Okay, okay. How do you want to trigger this contact? No, we don't want to trigger, it's a manual. Okay, set branches is anyone does others. Yes. Rotate contacts between two owners. Send notifications. Okay, everything seems pretty straightforward. I just need to activate this. Okay, so this is the workflow that I was talking about, which actually what it does is, okay, let me check. Enroll in workflow lead. Okay, it is enrolling there, but we're gonna change this to the new system. So what it does is it actually checks if this branch is Jeddah Hayya Rawda Sayyidat. So if you go, I'll show you where this is. This is okay. So this is a if else condition that if the branches is this, okay, then rotate the lead among two owners, which are actually the training consultants working in that branch, and then send them a notification. If no, then move on and check which branch. All right, so all these branches are the same. They're just doing if else, just like what we do in programming languages, but this one is pretty straightforward. And it's there's no enrollment trigger here because we're manually enrolling contacts here. So what is happening is that here in this workflow, I'm just checking that okay, form submission is this, then change the branch to this one, and then enroll them in this workflow. Okay, so I'm going to review it. All right, this is fine, and then I'm going to turn this on. Okay, I'm going to do my background check later, but for now, let me search Neil. Okay, I think I'll have to refresh this page. So here I'll go to enroll in the workflow, and then I can see the new workflow. Okay, lead or just lead distribution, centers, new HS system. Okay, save. All right, and this sounds great. I'm going to review it. These contacts, existing contacts, it's actually just checking that okay, is there any existing contact in the system which is meeting this criteria. Okay, right now since the campaign is not turned on, we're not receiving any leads, so that's why we don't have any. There are no existing contacts right now. So we'll say we can safely say no, only enroll contacts who meet the trigger criteria after turning on the workflow. Okay, if we select this and let's say we have one or two existing contacts, they will also go through this workflow. To be on the safe side, don't select this one, select this one. Okay, and just click on turn on. And yeah, this workflow is on now. I'm gonna just inform the workflow. Please proceed with the campaign. Awesome. All right, perfect. I hope this was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to use the comment box below.